How well do you know your animals? This rapid-fire trivia will put your animal knowledge to the test. First question, can you guess this animal? You have 10 seconds left. The answer is a kangaroo. Question 2, can you guess this animal? You have 10 seconds left. The answer is a red panda. If you have made it this far in the video, comment red panda. Question 3, can you guess what animal this is? Hint, it is not an armadillo. The answer is a pangolin, the only mammal that possess scales. Final question, can you guess what this animal is? The answer is a tiger. If you have made it this far in the video, like the video. Comment your overall ranking below, and to answer more Guess the Animal trivia, watch the full video on the triviatorq YouTube channel.